Welcome to another video of Facade Maths. Again, we have nonlinear relationships. These are hard questions. Let's see what these questions are. It says the graph of a quadratic equation has a vertex at 4, comma minus 3 and passes through the point 1, comma 6. What is the equation of the function? Okay, vertex at 4, minus 3. So the answer could be any of these. Okay, all of these have. And passes through the point 1, comma 6. Okay, so I could do it like that. I could do ax minus 4 whole square minus 3. Then I can plug in the point 6 and 1 minus 3. So 9 and 3 squared 9a. So a is equals to 1. So that should be the answer then. Directrix of the parabola. I need to find out what the directrix was. Just let me remind myself what the directrix is. I don't think this is part of the SAT, so I'm just going to breeze through this and just get you the final answer. You don't really need to know what the directrix is. It's just based on understanding of ellipses and hyperbolas, and that is not really part of the SAT. It used to be part of the SAT too. Vertical asymptotes, wherever it goes to infinity on these. Okay, so it goes to infinity when the denominator is equals to 0. So x squared minus x minus 6 equals to 0. So that should be at 3 and minus 2. Okay. What is the equation of the function? So at 0, comma 2, it's not a cubic curve, so that shouldn't be the answer. 0, 2, yeah, that should be the correct answer then. When k equals to 3, so 1, 2, and minus 3. So that minus 1, comma, minus 4. Okay, last set of hard questions, 5 questions to go. If the vertex of the quadratic equation function is this and a point 1, comma 2 lies on the curve, which of the following points also lies on the curve? Okay, I will need the equation of the curve, or is there another way to do it? I think that should be the correct answer, because what I see from here is that if I have a vertex here and at 1 there's 2, this is the distance of 2 units. So if I were to go back 2 units, I should still be at 2. So it's going to be minus 3, comma minus 2. Minus 3, comma 2. Yeah, that should work. I'm using symmetries instead of equations. Which of the following scenarios represents a nonlinear relationship between the two variables? The amount of money earned per hour working at a coffee shop is directly proportional to the number of hours worked. That's a linear relationship. Direct relationships are usually like that. The distance traveled by a car is directly proportional to the time it takes. Again, that's a linear relationship. The height of the ball thrown in the air is inversely proportional to the time it takes to reach its maximum height. Okay, so whenever you have inversely proportional, it's a rational expression, so that should be the answer then. Solve the system of linear relationships. So x squared plus x minus 4 whole square equals to 16. So x squared plus x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals to 16. 2x squared minus 8x equals to 0. X equals to 0 and x equals to 4. when x equals to 0, y equals to minus 4. And when x equals to 4, y equals to 0. That should be the correct answer then. What is the range of the function? Again, it's an exponential, so it's never it can stretch indefinitely there. I want to see what it's going to be at negative infinity, so I'm going to negative infinity plus 1 minus 2. To change the negative infinity to positive infinity, I take it to the denominator. 1 over infinity is 0, 0 minus 2, so y equals to minus 2. So at negative infinity, it's going to minus 2, so it's greater than minus 2. The curve will look like that. The equation of a parabola is given by this. If the vertex of the parabola lies on the line y equals to minus 3, what is the value of k? Okay, so I could do this with trial and error. Let's say if I take first as k equals to minus 7 and do a bit of trial and error on my calculator. I could also do it without trial and error by using the formula, or I could also do a bit of completing the square as well. That should also give me the correct answer in terms of k, but that's going to be more challenging. So let's see if I can find out. No, this gives me minus 11, so I'm going to change that and go with answer option B. No, still gives me y. Let's put 1. Yeah. Okay, so that's giving me minus 2, minus 3. That should be the correct answer. Yes. I think that's the end of these non-linear relationship questions. I will see you in the next video with another topic. Thank you for
Welcome to Edge Learning, where we are changing dreams into success stories. Let's go. At Edge Learning, we offer courses to help you excel. Whether you're preparing for the SAT, aiming for IBA and LUMS, need O and Alevel tuition, or IELTS coaching, we have the right program for you. Forget about boundaries. We offer learning anywhere, anytime. Our expert tutors provide personalized attention in various batch sizes and one-on-one sessions, along with pre-exam review workshops to ensure you perform your best on test day. Join us at Edge Learning and take the first step towards turning your dreams into reality. So what are you waiting for? Register now or call us.